Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Dunn and I am a University of Utah master's student studying nutritional science and dietetics. Today we're going to be making a citrus kale and quinoa salad, and this is a great salad because it's full of nutrients while still being super delicious and easy to throw together. So the first step is to chop all our ingredients. So we're going to start with kale first. And kale is a great ingredient. It is super full of vitamins and minerals, so it's a great base to a salad. So to cut kale properly, you want to remove this middle piece. It's called the rib, and it's super bitter, so you want to take that off. So first we're just going to remove that. And then once that's removed and we are just left with the leaf, we can just start chopping that. So just into little bite-sized pieces for a salad. So after you've chopped the kale, you are going to measure out about 4 cups. We're going to put it in a big bowl here. And that's the base of our salad. So the next ingredient is 2 cups of cooked quinoa. And then 3 medium oranges peeled and cut up. And then we're gonna do a little bit of walnuts. And we're gonna sprinkle on some feta cheese. I really like that quinoa's in this recipe because it's full of fiber and protein, so it's gonna keep you full. All right, so we are going to leave that there for now and start making the dressing. So we're gonna start with a 1/3 cup of olive oil as the base. And then we are going to do 3 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of this white wine vinegar, and then we're just going to do a teaspoon of honey to make it a little bit sweeter. And then the last few things, we are going to use this 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, and then just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Now I really like making my own salad dressing because you can kind of create it in whatever way you want, so whatever you're in the mood for. This is going to come out to be a citrus vinaigrette. And it's also not hiding any ingredients, which oftentimes at the grocery store, salad dressings are going to be really high in fat, but you can make them really low calorie and super healthy and nutritious when you make them at home. All right, so next we are just going to dress the salad. You can pour as much or as little of the salad dressing as you want. Then we are just going to mix it all together. And I love these kinds of salads because they have a bunch of different colors, they look super pretty, and they're gonna be great at anything like a barbecue or a family party. And they have a bunch of different flavors too, so it's gonna be a little bit of sweet, the kale's really gonna come out strong, and then the dressing kind of ties it all together. So this is a great dish for a side, or you could even use it as an entree if you wanted to add something like grilled chicken to it. That would be great too. You can also kind of mix and match. So if you want to try a different type of fruit, like blood oranges or strawberries, that could be really delicious too. So it's a fun recipe to kind of mess around with until you find something that works for you. Thanks for watching the citrus kale and quinoa salad food demo. My name is Taylor Dunn. I'm a University of Utah graduate student.